Never throw away used oil if you don't want to regret it. Take the oil and turn it into money. For the first step, you must prepare a fire-resistant container. Then for the second step, prepare the candles. You can use small or large candles. Break the candle into several pieces and put them into the container you have prepared. After the candle is broken, for the next step, heat this container over the stove. Its function is to melt the wax. Separate the wick string from the wax liquid. After you have finished separating the wick rope from the wax liquid, prepare the main ingredient, namely used oil. Add the used oil into the wax liquid gradually, while you can stir it so that the liquid can mix perfectly. Make this mixture until the liquid is blackish in color. After the liquid is mixed perfectly, you can prepare one more ingredient that you can easily get at home, namely clothes freshener liquid. Mix this clothes freshener liquid into the mixture that you have made. The function of the clothes freshener liquid is to remove the smell of used oil. Stir until this mixture is completely mixed. Okay, after the liquids are mixed together, for the next step, prepare a jar. Use a thick jar so that it can withstand the heat from this liquid. Put this liquid into the jar that you have prepared. After you put the liquid into the jar, let it sit and wait until the liquid cools down. While waiting for the liquid to cool, prepare another empty bottle and fill it with used oil. Then prepare one more ingredient that is very easy for you to get at home, namely dishwashing soap. Pour the dishwashing soap liquid into the bottle containing used oil. For the ratio of this liquid 1:1. For the next step, you just have to shake the bottle so that the liquid mixes perfectly. After mixing the liquid, the result is like this. You can use this liquid to polish the body of your motor vehicle. Look at this vehicle. The plastic body is very dull. You can use this liquid to make dull bodies like this shine. How to use it is very easy. You can use a cloth, then pour this liquid onto the cloth and just rub it on the dull parts of the vehicle body. Look at the comparison. The parts that I have wiped using this liquid and the parts that I have not wiped. The body parts that use this liquid return to being like new plastic bodies. The comparison is very clear. You can also use this liquid to blacken your vehicle tires. You can see the results. Motorcycle tires that were previously very dull are now black again, like new vehicle tires. Look at the end result. The comparison is very striking. Then this is the result of the first mixture. After it cools, the mixture will form a paste. To use this paste, you can use foam. You can use this paste to polish shoes. You can pack this paste into attractive jars. Then you can sell it. You will make money from this creative idea. Look at the difference. These are the shoes I haven't applied the paste to. And these are the shoes that I have smeared with the paste. The result is that the shoes are like new again. So from now on, never throw away used oil again. You can use it for business ideas or just for personal use. If these ideas are interesting for you, don't forget to subscribe to get other interesting ideas. Thank you.